Okay, so next topic is the internet for the different web services. The internet carries an extensive range of information resources and the services, such as a internet link hypertext document of the World Wide Web. So we can use that internet is a chatting purpose. So email, video conferencing, e-learning, e-shopping, e-reservations, e-groups, social networking. This assignment or the practical is useful for developing the necessary skill which is required to get the web services from the internet. So the basic knowledge required related to the internet, then this retrieve information, one needs to use the internet and search relevant information on the website. So there are many websites where almost many information is already available. As an internet users, one needs to use the desired keywords to get the information. So these websites are collection of the different web pages which is used to store across the web servers. To get this information, user can choose any available web browsers such as Internet Explorer, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc., Opera, etc. So this assignment requires the resources. For example, we require the computer, desktop or the laptop computer with the basic configuration. So one computer system for every students to prepare or to create a account. Next one is the web browsers. So we need any type of browsers. For example, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, etc. So we get the web browsers on the computer system may made the available pre-loader or loading, or the student may be given the particular set of copy, and we can ask to load that some of their computer some there on the computer system. For example, with the help of web browsers, we can share the content through the internet, or we can access the any type of parameter. So first step is to open the website with the different browsers. So we having already a Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. So we can click on Mozilla Firefox, select that icon, double click on the given icon. After that, open the web browser window. Here is the address bar where we can mention the URL, means uniform resource locator, which is inside the address bar of the web browser window, and press enter. For example, we need to be a select www.google.com and we can press enter key. So this is the window. Next one, create a user account for the email service. So in the right top side of that particular window, having the n number of options, Gmail image, they having 9 dots, sign in. So we can select the sign in option. use another account. So here there is a option create account. So you can select that option create account for kids, for yourself, for to manage your business. So we can select the myself. So this is your registration form to prepare the particular account here. So you must enter the first name, last name, email address, then password. After that, you need to be a confirm password. So first we can enter the name Priyanka Patil. Username is pp1234@gmail.com. So that must username is taken. So we need to be extend. So this is your user ID means email ID. After that we need to be enter the password which having the combination of numericals, characters or the symbols, special symbols, fruit. So basically this password contains the combination of this because if we consider all the combination of your words or the keys, the password become a strong. No one can easily broken that your password. So you must be mention the password here again for the confirmation and sign in instead. So we can press on the click. So after that system generates your new account. So this is the process for preparing the email ID. So आता ह्याच पद्धतीने मी एक ऑलरेडी माझा जीमेल अकाउंट प्रिपेअर केलेलं आहे. सो दिस इज होम पेज ऑफ युअर जीमेल. हे तुमच्या जीमेलचं काय होम पेज आहे. सो विच हॅव्हिंग द एन नंबर ऑफ information window here. So mail window which having the inbox, outbox, sendbox, draft. Then after that next tab is the chat. Next one is the space here. So this is the basic layout of your Gmail home page. इथे तुम्हाला जेवढे पण लोक मेल करतात ते सगळे मेल इथे डेट वाईज मेन्शन केलेले असतात. नेक्स्ट वन इज द आता जर मेल मध्ये मी सेंड मध्ये गेली तर मी कोणाकोणाला इन्फॉर्मेशन सेंड केलेली आहे इथे ही मेन्शन होते तुम्हाला. सपोज वी वॉन्ट टू प्रिपेअर द गुगल मीट तर मी ह्या 3 डॉट्स वरून जाऊन तुम्हाला इथे मीट स्टार्ट करू शकते गुगल मीट. ओके. So this is the feature which is provided by your Gmail. Next one is the performance chatting on the internet. So basically we need to be a required the particular messenger applications for the chatting purpose or for the sharing the messages. So open the messenger application and sign in using the Gmail account with the help of user ID and password. So username and the password are click on the single button. After that, from the list of friends, select the name of the person with whom the user wants to talk. हे पण तुम्ही मेन्शन करायला हवं तिथे. आता हे कुठे कुठे मेन्शन होणार आहे तुम्हाला इथे चॅट विंडो दिलेला आहे. तर चॅट विंडोवर क्लिक केलं तर इथे चॅटिंगला ऑलरेडी कोणतीच पर्सन अवेलेबल नाहीये. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू ऍड तर तुम्ही इथून काय करू शकता ग्रुप क्रिएट करू शकता फॉर कन्व्हर्सेशन create a space, browse the space, find the boot option and message request here. So this is the layout from where we can convey the message to the another person. आता मी तर ऑलरेडी एक गुगल मीट ओपन केलेली. जर तुम्हाला न्यू मीट ओपन करायचे असेल तर ह्या 9 डॉट्स वरती क्लिक करायचं. इथे गुगल मीट नावाचा एक आयकॉन आहे. वी कॅन सिलेक्ट दॅट आयकॉन. तो आयकॉन सिलेक्ट केल्यानंतर तुमची एक न्यू विंडो होईल क्रिएट. इथे ऑलरेडी माझं जीमेलचं जे पण एक्सटर्नलचं जिथून तुम्ही इन्फॉर्मेशन शेअर करतात ती विंडो ओपन झालेली आहे. आता सपोज गुगल मीट ओपन केली तर ही गुगल मीट. मग याच्यामध्ये रेकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करता येतं, स्टॉप करता येतं. आफ्टर दॅट तुम्हाला स्क्रीन शेअर करता येते विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस आयकॉन. दिस इज युअर presenting parameter. If you want to present something which is already available in your then we can easily represent. So select that option. Here we already present that document. So here is the mention message is appear is stop presenting. If we select on that तो तुम्हाला ही स्क्रीन क्या होईल disappear होऊन जाईल. So this is the basic parameter regarding to the internet for the different web services.